Meteorologist Francella Perez, and we have a lot to talk about on this Sunday. Lots going on with some wild weather, not only the heat, but the humidity, also some thunderstorms and unstable conditions across Southern California and even here in San Diego County. We do have a disturbance. You can see it right there, right around Yuma, and the clockwise or counterclockwise rotation of this system is bringing us that wraparound moisture across Southern California and San Diego County. Most of the activity has been happening heavily over San Bernardino and also over Riverside County. In fact, right now there is a flash flood warning going on in Riverside County close to San Diego, and this is going to be until 6:15. So keep that in mind. Flash flood warning means that it is imminent. It is happening right now, and you need to seek higher ground, again, because of thunderstorms, the monsoonal thunderstorms that are producing some heavy rain in that area. And that section that you see right there in that black polygon, that is where the heavy flash flooding is going on. Parts of Temecula, parts of Pachanga, Murrieta, also Rainbow, Lake Skinner as well, and Winchester. So keep that in mind. Further to the south over our county, this is what it looked like since earlier this afternoon. We started to see some convection, some instability developing across the mountains, even pushing into portions of the eastern valleys, like Alpine, places like Lakeside, Ramona. Right now, we did have a severe thunderstorm warning just a few minutes ago in the northern part of the county, right around the 15 freeway, as you can see right here. It is gone now. It's expired. So that's good news. Conditions are getting better. We also had a flood warning over Valley Center and the mountains. That's already expired. Now the cell that is impacting our county is right over in between the 8 freeway and the 94. Lyons Valley Road impacting Pine Valley as well. So if you're traveling anywhere on the 8 freeway, definitely keep that in mind. Anytime that we have these thunderstorms, especially as strong as that disturbance is, could definitely bring us more thunderstorms. In the next few hours, we may see more heavy downpours, flooding, erratic winds, and that's what we've been seeing. Some of the winds have been up to 60 miles per hour with these thunderstorms. Frequent lightning, we've had a lot of that across Southern California and even here in San Diego County, as well as small hail that we've had, and that could continue to happen in the next few hours. Thunderstorms are not going to diminish and pretty much die out until right around 7-8 o'clock tonight. So it could still happen. Not only that, but of course, we've been talking about that monsoonal moisture that's creating those thunderstorms. Well, that is subtropical moisture, and a good way to measure humidity is through dew points. And here's our dew point meter. So here's what it looks like for us. We're in the mid to upper 60s. So not only are we very muggy, but also sticky. We're getting closer to that miserable scale, so definitely feeling more like Florida. Here's a look at your current dew points right now across the coast, mid to upper 60s. Would it be surprised if there's a few 70s in between those numbers that you see there? Even for the valleys, seeing dew points in the upper 50s, low 60s, so definitely very muggy out there. Not to mention temperatures are warmer than they were yesterday, pretty much across the coastal areas, portions of the valleys. Now we're seeing those temperatures anywhere between 1 to about 7 degrees higher than yesterday. So higher humidity levels, hotter temperatures, and of course that instability, those thunderstorms over the mountains and the foothills of San Diego County. Current temperatures right now at this hour, we're looking at 101 for Oceanside, 91 San Diego, 106 for Poway, El Cajon 108, 105 in Ramona. I mean, it is just scorching hot. It's a sauna out there for sure. 85 in Julian, 106 Borrego Springs. We still have that excessive heat warning going on until Monday night for our local valleys. All of the valleys are dealing with that heat. And also we do have the coastal area dealing with the heat advisory. This continues until Monday night as well. By 8 o'clock, it should be allowed to expire. Temperatures for the coast, the daytime highs will be in the 90s tomorrow, and even some triple digits like we saw today. Here's a look at your day planner for tomorrow. Places like the Inland Valleys, San Pasqual Valley, Valley Center. I want to show you this because it's still going to be very hot tomorrow. We're looking at 76 at 7 a.m. By 10 o'clock in the morning, we're going to be close to triple digits. So right around 99, 100 degrees. And then by 1 o'clock, temperatures will be even hotter. 106. If you couple that with that humidity, it's just going to feel even hotter. You're going to add about 5 degrees more to those numbers. Here's look at your daytime highs.